Looking to upgrade your gaming PC without breaking the bank? Today we're counting down the best budget gaming processors under $200, ranking them from weakest to the absolute best. Stick around to find out which CPU gives you the best bang for your buck. Starting off our list at number 5 is the AMD Ryzen Pro 4650G. This CPU is an APU, meaning it comes with built-in graphics, making it a solid option for those who don't want to spend extra on a GPU. While it's not the fastest processor here, it's a great fit for office work, media consumption, and even some light gaming. The Radeon Vega 7 graphics are better than Intel's integrated options, making it possible to run games like Fortnite, League of Legends, and CSGO at decent settings. Plus, with 6 cores and 12 threads, multitasking and day-to-day performance are smooth. If you're looking for a low-power, all-in-one solution, this chip delivers. However, it has some big drawbacks compared to the other CPUs on this list. It's stuck on the older AM4 platform, meaning no DDR5 or PCIe 4.0 support. Also, gaming performance takes a hit due to lower boost clocks and less cache compared to newer Ryzen chips. If you plan on adding a dedicated GPU later, it's not the most future-proof choice. So who is this for? If you need a simple, budget-friendly chip for work and casual gaming, this is a good pick. But if you're aiming for serious gaming performance, you'll want to look at the next CPUs on our list. By the way, I've included links to all these processors at the best prices in the description below, so check them out. Next up at number 4 is the AMD Ryzen 5 8500G, a much better APU than the 4650G. This one runs on AMD's latest Zen 4 architecture, giving it higher efficiency and performance. The Radeon 740M integrated graphics handle esports titles much better, and even some modern games on low settings. Compared to the previous chip, this one offers PCIe 4.0 support, better power efficiency, and a more future-proof AM5 platform. The boost clock jumps up to 5.0 GHz, meaning better single-threaded performance for gaming and workloads. It's a noticeable upgrade for anyone who wants to game without a dedicated GPU. That said, integrated graphics are still limited, and if you plan to add a discrete GPU later, you might be better off with a chip that has more L3 cache and higher core counts. Also, PCIe lane limitations could restrict upgrade options down the line. If you're looking for the best integrated graphics performance in a budget chip, the 8500G is a great pick. And hey, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome gaming hardware reviews. At number 3, we have the Intel Core i5-14400F, a fantastic mid-tier gaming processor. This CPU comes with a mix of 6 performance cores and 4 efficient cores, making it great for gaming and multitasking. If you're pairing it with a dedicated GPU, this chip offers excellent performance at a reasonable price. The biggest advantage of the 14400F is its strong performance compared to AMD's budget APUs. The higher core count and clock speeds mean smoother performance in CPU-intensive games like Cyberpunk 2077, Warzone, and Starfield. It's also power efficient, with a 65-watt TDP keeping thermals and power consumption in check. The biggest downside? No integrated graphics, meaning you must have a discrete GPU to even boot up your system. Also, while it does support DDR5 memory, the performance improvement over DDR4 is minimal. Compared to the next CPUs on this list, it also lacks some high-end features. If you're looking for a great balance between price and performance and plan to use a dedicated GPU, this is one of the best budget gaming CPUs out there. But if you want even more power, let's move to our top 2 picks. At number 2, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X, a workhorse processor that delivers both gaming and productivity power. This 8-core 16-thread beast is great for gamers who also do video editing, streaming, or 3D rendering. With higher boost clocks and 32MB of L3 cache, this chip excels in gaming performance. In many titles, it matches or beats Intel's Core i5 CPUs, especially in games that take advantage of multi-core performance. Plus, it's unlocked for overclocking, so you can push it even further. However, there are some downsides. It's stuck on the AM4 platform, meaning no DDR5 or PCIe 5.0 support. And unlike some other Ryzen CPUs, it doesn't come with a stock cooler, so you'll need to budget extra for cooling. If you're looking for a great all-around CPU for gaming and content creation, the Ryzen 7 5800X is one of the best values under $200. But if you want the absolute best gaming CPU at this price, our top pick is up next. Taking the top spot as the best budget gaming CPU under $200 is the Intel Core i5-13600KF. This processor dominates in terms of performance per dollar, offering 14 cores and 20 threads, making it the most powerful chip on this list. What makes the CPU so good for gaming? First, its hybrid architecture with 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores ensures smooth gameplay, even in CPU-heavy games like Starfield, Total War, and Microsoft Flight Simulator. With a max boost clock of 5.1 GHz, it outperforms every other CPU on this list in both single-threaded and multi-threaded tasks. And with PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 support, it's also the most future-proof option here. Of course, there are some downsides. Like the 14400F, it lacks integrated graphics, meaning you must have a discrete GPU. It also runs hotter than some of the other CPUs here, so a good cooling solution is recommended. Plus, at 125 watts TDP, it draws more power than most budget-friendly chips. So who is this for? If you're looking for the absolute best gaming CPU under $200, the Intel Core i5-13600KF is the clear winner. It outperforms everything else in this price range, making it the best choice for gamers who want high FPS without spending a fortune. And that wraps up our list of the best budget CPUs under $200. Whether you're looking for an APU with solid integrated graphics, a mid-range gaming chip, or the best overall gaming performance, there's an option here for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the links in the description for the best deals on these CPUs. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future gaming hardware reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.